Good news! I'm happy to share my good news. I got a new replacement phone, A71 5G T-Mobile phone. I received it. It's my insurance um, from T-Mobile. I received the phone on March 14th, 2024. It was shipped here in my new address, my new physical address. So I received it. Then I went to T-Mobile today, Saturday, March 16th, 2024, to pay my bills as well as to buy a charger because it did not come with a charger. I'm very, very happy about it because my old phone, I've had it for 5 years, so I'm due for a new phone with more gigabytes. So this one has thing I wanted, and this is the explanation of benefits. That's my insurance company with T-Mobile right there. Assurance. I'm the customer, and this is my claim information. Like when I called in to file my claim for the damaged phone I used to have, which is the J7 Prime Pop Gold. I've had this phone for 5 years. It was given to me in 2019, and it's so damaged right now that I cannot bear it any longer. So I had to call in and file a claim, and my claim was approved for this new phone, this new one. So I'm so happy, and I've received it. I've went to T-Mobile. This is it I'm using right now. I went to T-Mobile. They have helped me set it up, even though there is still more to do, because we have to do my Facebook account and my Instagram accounts. So, but for now, I can do without my Facebook and my Instagram. I'm happy with as much as what has been set up. It has a lot of good features, and I like it all. I like all the features that this phone has. So this is my new phone. This is the description of my new phone. It's a Samsung SM A7. It means A as in Ajua. Amazing, awesome. All the good words, okay? That's the meaning of it. A716U Galaxy. When you cut it for short, it's just Galaxy A71 5G. Then the color is black, and the gigabytes is 128 gigabytes. T-Mobile phone. It's a T-Mobile phone. And then I add an additional 64 gigabytes to it. So I got plenty gigabytes. The 128 plus an additional 64 gigabytes that I add inside as well. So I got plenty storage space now. I don't have to worry so much for storage space. I love this new phone. It was shipped overnight to me on the 13th. I received it on the 14th of March 2024. So this is my explanation of benefits. Formal receipts. So it was approved successfully. I'm so happy. So this is just a record of my good news I'm documenting for myself. Today is March 17th 2024, Sunday night. And on Monday I'm going to return the damaged device back to them. And this is the damaged device. I have to enclose it in this return package. This is the package it came in with. Inside this package, so I have to enclose the damaged device inside this box that's already prepared for me. This is the box. I have to return it back. It came in this box, the new phone, so I have to return the damaged phone back to this location on Monday because the post office is closed on Saturday and Sunday. And well, by the time I went to T-Mobile, they have closed for Saturday because they open on Saturday, but they close very early. And Sunday, I don't know if they open. No, they're not open on Sundays. So Monday I'm gonna go early in the morning, let's say around between 10 and 11, and pausing no later than 1 a.m. in the afternoon, and then go return the damaged device in pausing. I'm telling you, this is how damaged this phone has. The damaged device is so damaged. I put it in here. It's so damaged. Look at it. This is the damaged device. Oh my God, it's damaged. It's so damaged. Let me see. I've had this for. Look at the lid. How damaged it is. Battery swollen, all cracked up. It will not close. All cracked up. Look, cracked. It will not close. The battery is so swollen. Look, see how swollen it is. It's supposed to be flat. So over the years, this is what happened. And then when you put it together, it will not close. See, it will not close, and it's supposed to stay closed. But it wasn't closing up, so I had to put tape. I have to tape it. That is it for you. It wasn't a good look when you taped it to use it. See, this is what I was using. It will not close. See, it's not closing. It's supposed to snap in by itself if it's not damaged, but because it's damaged, see, it can close up. See, this is the problem. It will not close up. All this, that shows it's damage. It's a damaged device, so I have to return it to my insurance company. They have replaced it with this new one I'm using now, so I have to return this to them on Monday and close it in this package, this box. This is where they want me to put it in this box and then ship it to them. So I'll do that on Monday. Take it to the post office and ship it. I don't have to pay for storage and for postage because postage has already been paid for. See, no postage necessary if mailed in the United States, and it's gonna be mailed in the United States. See, look at the address. It's Texas, so that's the United States. Assurance 1401 Lake Way Drive, Suite A, Louisville, Texas 75057-9901. So it's in the United States of America. So I'm going to enclose it in this box. That's the new device came in. I'm going to enclose it in there. See, just like this. just like this, or put this way. It doesn't matter as long as it's inside. So then I close it up and then take it to the post office to be shipped back to the. This is the damaged device. Oh, I'm so very, 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 very happy. I deserve to be happy. I didn't like this phone. One, I don't have sufficient storage space in it, and I've had it for 5 years and it's so damaged. It's not doing everything I wanted it to do. So very, very happy. It's my time to be smiling. I'm so happy for my new phone. Thank you to myself, because I'm the one who purchased the insurance for all my devices. I insured them. I insured all my devices. Every month I'm paying my monthly charge as well as my the insurance charges as well. Every month it's combined into my T-Mobile monthly bill. So I'm paying that every month, and I've been paying it for 8 years, because I've been with T-Mobile for 8 years. So when my device is damaged, I don't call often, because since I called 3 years ago, 5 years ago, when they gave me this one, that's the first one I used to have lasted for 3 years, and then this gold J7 Prime lasted for 5 years. Now they've given me this new one in March 2024, the 14th. Well, the 13th, it was shipped on the 14th of March 2024. So let's see how long this will last for. I hope it lasted for more than 5 years. This is the good news I want to share with you all, and I want to document it for my record, keep it as well. Happy weekend to all of us. March 16th, 2024. God bless us. Bye.